Earlier today, we conducted a preliminary evaluation. It was the preliminary round of today's quiz, and we finally have the results. So when I call out your name, please come up on stage and take a seat, right, wherever you please. Roshan Dattatri, Raghavan S. and Sulochana R. from Sri Shankara Senior Secondary School. Please come up on stage. Round of applause, please. Next we have K. Deepak Prakash, Sharan Kumar, and Shravan Ramesh from 11th standard Shankara. I think it's probably possibly the same school. Are we good? You have, is one of your friends missing? He's there, okay, good, we're ready. So, the next two, or rather three teams that we're going to call up, they have 2 members each, right? And 2 of them are from 8th grade, and 1 of them is from 11th. So I'm going to ask that you divide the 11th graders amongst yourselves, right? So, Harsh Yadav and Siddharth Sridhar from Chettinad Hari Shri Vidyalayam. Please. A round of applause, please. Big, happy, yeah. Next is Madan Bhadra and Ravish Kumar from Baba Lal Bihari Vidyalaya. Are they here? Madan Bhadra and Ravish Kumar? No? Okay, well, we'll wait for a couple of minutes. A couple of people have just given first names. Yash and Venkatraman from the Ashram TASSC Model School. Are they here? Are they here? No? Yes, where? Oh, upstairs. Oh, okay. Come on down. It's all right. Why are you clapping? No, them. Okay. Okay, so I'm running out of things to ask you to do. So, everyone downstairs, if you can, the guys in the back, if you can hear me clap 3 times. Just great, wonderful, very good. I've just been informed that Messrs. Madan Bhadra and Ravish Kumar are actually students of IMSC who decided to play a practical joke on me. And they still didn't get the highest marks. So a round of applause please to the pranksters, Madan Bhadra. We'll let you know, but they got less than all of you, so yeah. Okay.
Where are the pranksters?
I'll introduce them. I'll bring them out on stage, believe me. Okay, can we have Vignesh Balaji and K. Prasanna from Sai Ram College? Are they here? Oh yeah, they're upstairs? Okay, come on down. It's going to be a lot of fun. Hey, so why don't you, okay, so how we're going to do this is you guys are 8th grade,
yeah,
right? You 4, and you're in 11th grade. Is that correct?
So we
No. Which grade are you in?
College.
College, okay. So why don't you guys flip for it? Does anyone have a coin? Okay, no coins. Okay, rock, paper, scissors for who gets to pick who. Okay?
paper, scissors.
What do you do? No. Okay, you know the game. Right? Okay, go ahead. Just.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Yeah.
Okay, he wins. Okay, so you get to pick which one you want. This is very arbitrary, but yeah, go ahead. Just pick one. Yeah?
Yes, I don't want to get it.
Okay, so yeah, why don't you... So let's... Right, so welcome to the thank you, welcome to the IMSC Open Day. We hope you all enjoyed yourselves a great deal. We had a lot of wonderful exhibits. And can I just say before we begin, shh, okay, yeah. Can I just say before we begin that the life that the graduate students here lead, me personally as one of them, is a slightly difficult one in the sense that it's very easy to... Why is everyone talking? Shh, I'm trying to speak my heart out. Just shh. Okay, yeah. So, the life that we lead is an especially difficult one, not because we don't have a lot of comforts, but because it's very easy to, when you're bogged down in a lot of work that your advisor gave you, it's very easy to forget why you started doing all of this, why you got into science in the first place. And it's very nice to have young students from colleges come by and show us their enthusiasm for it, because it reminds us in some sense of why we started all of this. So we hope you'll join us here one day. And so from the people at IMSC, can we please give the students a round of applause for their participation? Right? So are you all ready? Oh, would you like to introduce yourselves very quickly before we begin? Is there a microphone?
There's a mic right here.
There's a mic there? You have a mic, okay. And there's one there, okay, I'll just, okay. Right, so let's have a very quick round of introductions, right? Please tell us your name and what you're interested in. So why don't you begin?
Okay, I'm Raghavan from Shankara Senior Secondary School. I'm interested in mathematics.
Mathematics, okay. Yeah, class also, please.
11th.
11th standard.
I'm Roshan from Sri Shankara and I'm interested in astrophysics.
I'm Sulochana from Sri Shankara. I'm interested in physics.
Okay. So you're all in the same class, right? 11th? Okay. Yeah.
I'm Sharan Kumar from Shankara. I'm interested in maths.
Okay.
I'm Shravan Ramesh from Sri Shankara. I'm interested in basketball.
Basketball, very nice. Wonderful. Yeah.
I'm K. Deepak from Shankara. I'm interested in physics.
I'm Vignesh Balaji from Sairam. I'm interested in physics.
Okay.
I'm Yash from the ashram and I'm interested in chemistry.
Chemistry.
I'm S.
That's nice,
Venkatraman
that's
from
nice.
the ashram. I am interested in history civics.
History and civics. That's
I am Prasanna from
a little louder, please. Yeah.
I am Prasanna from Sairam. I'm doing MCA and interested in computer applications.
Okay.
I'm Harsh from Chettinad Harishi Vidyalayam, and I'm in 8th grade. I'm interested in physics. Yeah.
I'm Siddharth from Chettinad Harishi Vidyalayam. I'm interested in maths. I'm in 8th grade.
Excellent. So, so shall we begin? Are you all ready? Do you want to flex or, yeah? Okay, let's do this. So, so the quiz is going to have 4 rounds, right? The first round is just ordinary questions and answers, right? We've chosen questions from a very broad spectrum that could be said to constitute the sciences, right? So there's physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, computer science, all this stuff is in. So I think, so how do you want to start? Do you want to start from there or do you want to start from here? You want to start from there? Okay, we'll start from there. So why don't you, so this is the first round. They have a microphone. Just hold on to that, okay. Group name. Do you guys want to pick group names? No.
Ah, yes.
Okay, fine. Group name, pick one, quickly. Very quickly. Just, no, shh.
Arc reactor.
Arc reactor. Oh, Tony Stark and shit. Yeah, very nice. Okay, arc reactor. Team A, arc reactor. Okay, you guys. Very quickly, basketball. One of you said basketball, right? Something. Just.
Miami Heat.
What?
Miami Heat.
Miami Heat. Okay. Okay. Team name. Just pick
Chennai
one.
Super Kings.
Chennai Super Kings. What about you guys?
Yeah, so we are the 3 musketeers, one all for one and one for all.
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Three musketeers. So can we dim the lights just so that we can see this a little clearly? Some combination of light dimming and light switching on that would allow you to see them and also, yeah, just no, okay. Can everyone read that? Is that, no? So can we get that light? Is it? Okay. Is that good? That's better. Right. So round 1 is just questions and answers, right? It's not very imaginative name, I agree. But this is how it goes. Each team is asked 2 questions, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to start there, we're going to go around, and then we're going to come back. Yeah. The questions will pass right? And they will pass to whichever side the play is currently is currently in play. And a direct answer gets you 10 points, and an indirect answer gets you 5 points. Yeah, questions only pass once, after which they pass to the audience, right? And Prasanna will be keeping score. Say hi, Prasanna. Right? So if you have problems, he's the guy. Just don't, yeah. Okay? So you ready?
A question.
Question, yes. Doubts, always.
So, how much time do we have for each question?
Oh,
Any
here,
fixed time?
a reasonable amount of time. How about that? Like, just don't, like, you can't keep me waiting for like 2 minutes, right? But let's say 30 to 45 seconds, right? As much as the audience's patience will hold. Let's say it like that. Yeah. So any other doubts, questions before we? Yes.
After the question passes, which team does it go to?
Yeah. So like I said,
The next question. Which team does the next question go to?
1 second. So if let's hypothetically, right?
Yeah.
As an example, case example, they're asked the question and they're not able to answer it. Then the question passes over to their right. And after it passes to their right, if they get the answer right, the next question will be again to them.
Oh, okay.
Right? So it just continues like that. Yeah? Is that clear? Everyone's okay. So first question to team arc reactor. Yeah. Kepler established that the radius of a circular orbit and its time period are related.
Kepler's third law, T square proportional to R cube.
Oh, that's wonderful. That's very quick. Right out of the gate. That's right. T square proportional to R cube. I may have pitched this a little too low, but let's see how this goes. Very well done, arc reactors. Next we have Miami Heat. Okay. So Miami Heat, this next question is for you. What is the area of a trapezium? Okay, I'm starting to regret these questions, but what is the area of the following trapezium?
Half h into a plus b. The sum of the parallel sides into h by 2.
Yep, that's correct. So, yeah. So I should explain. They said, okay, don't do that, please. How do I get rid of that? Don't press that. I'm not even sure we need it actually. So I think the electricians are going to hate me for this. But yeah. So when they asked me to set up the questions, they said 8th to 10th grade. So I wasn't really sure because I don't remember what I studied in 8th grade. Most of it just. So yeah. So let's see how this goes. Anyway, next question is to Chennai Super Kings. Is that correct? Yes. Okay. Consider a simple pendulum of length L. If you quadruple the length of the pendulum, you multiply the length by 4. What happens to the time period? No prompting, no audience. You just nothing. Yeah. I'm gonna have to ask you to answer quickly. Okay, so if there is any doubt, when I say I quadruple the length, that means I multiply the length by 4, right? So if it was L, it becomes 4 times L now. So what happens to the time period?
It just gets increased.
Okay, that's a start, but I'm looking for something a little more specific.
Directly proportional to the square of it.
No, so I'm giving you everything you need to know. I have L, so I send L to 4L, so what happens?
It gets increased to 4 times.
Increased 4 times. That is incorrect, I'm sorry.
16 times, I mean.
16 times, that's also incorrect. We pass over to the next team.
It remains same.
Remains same. I'm sorry, that is not correct either.
Doubles.
No, wait, okay. See, I'm supposed to pass it over. I'm supposed to pass it over to the audience. It was going to be fun and you kind of... Okay, it's okay, don't worry. You don't get any points for that, but very good that you know that. No, I mentioned in the beginning that it passes only once, which it already did, so it doesn't really do that. Okay? Any more doubts about my model? What? No, so that's wonderful. I think maybe when you organize the quiz next year, you should do that. So, okay? Right. So, the answer is that it doubles, right? And this is because the time period is related to the length as the square root, right? So, t is proportional to square root of L. If I multiply the length by 4, you should get square root of 4, which is 2. Okay? Right. So let me explain once again. If a question is passed over, it is passed once, after which it goes to the audience. It does not get passed again. There are no periodic boundary conditions, yeah, anything like that. So this is the question for the Three Musketeers, team number 4. For a given perimeter, which geometrical figure encloses the maximum area?
Circle.
Circle. Wonderful. Round of applause, please. Right. So, yeah. So I think this one is for the audience. There's a picture of a comet. I'd like you to tell me which way it's going. Okay, no, I see some graduate, no graduate students. No, this is for school children. You'd like to answer? Yes. That way? No, that's not correct. Okay. It's a very good answer. Going towards the left-hand side? No, I'm sorry. Any other guesses? Yeah, here. Upwards. That's interesting actually, because the actual answer is that comet tails always point away from the sun. So you can't look at a picture of a comet and tell me which way it's going. It's a slightly tricky question. Comet tails point always away from the sun, so you can't, that way sounds like a good answer, but it's not really how it works. So the answer is you can't say. So upwards may as well be correct. Yeah? Because you get used to questions like this. The answers are you cannot say when you spend enough time here. So yeah. Anyway, right? Okay. So the next, is everyone good on that? Right? Okay. So the next question is for team Three Musketeers. Right? We're going to go backwards now. Okay. For the Three Musketeers, a charged particle moves in an electric field. If at time t is 2 seconds, the x coordinate is 10, where is the particle at t equals 4?
That was an easy question. We could have done that one. Knew that one. We knew that one. No, we are so intelligent that the answer pops up on its own.
Yeah.
That's called brains.
I'm not sure how many slides I haven't fixed, so could we take a brief moment just to maybe see if this needs any fixing?
Remove the projector.
Yeah, just, can we, what? Unplug it, yes, that's probably, I'm very sorry about this, I did not foresee. Or just can you yeah, this is a big cock-up. I need another question. Give me another question. If I have, okay, this is not put up, so this is like a question for later. But if I have an ellipse with semi-major axis A and semi-minor axis B, what is the area of the ellipse for this team, Team Three Musketeers, right? Going to have to press you on that. Do you have an answer?
Okay, I'm just going to 2 pi into a plus b, pi a plus b.
Pi a plus b. No, that's not correct. Next team. The question is, I have an ellipse with semi-major axis A and semi-minor axis B. What is the area? Okay, no answer yet? Is it? Can you speak into the mic, please?
Is it half times of a plus b?
Half times a plus b? No, that's not correct. Audience, we'd like to open this to the audience. No graduate students. No, not that.
Is this also can't say?
No. This is a very, this question has an answer. It's not can't say, right? The question is, I have an ellipse. I have an ellipse with semi-major axis A and semi-minor axis B. My question is, what is the area of this ellipse? We have someone here? Pi AB. What did you say? Did you say pi AB? Yes, that is correct. Wonderful. Round of applause. My predecessor used to throw chocolates at people, and I'm not sure if that's a good idea because I don't throw very well. But I'm going to try because it's no. Okay, no, I think I'm going to. So, no, it will follow least action, but it won't reach him. The participants seem to have no faith in my abilities. Okay, let's do this. You ready? Okay. Don't lean forward. Okay. You don't want that. Just. Yep. Oh, okay. See? None of you had any faith in me. Oh, ye of little faith. You just saw people walk on water outside. You should be, more.
You should be skeptical.
Yeah. What? Yes, he would like to say something. What would he like to say? Yes, that's a good point actually. So you need the dimensions to be right, right? See, if you have 2 centimeters, you can't make an area unless you multiply them. So that's yeah. So you need to get centimeters square, right? And pi is usually a very good guess for areas. So, I mean, no, don't listen to that. But okay, right. So, right. So another question I'd like to ask, and again, this is not the one on the board. So I'm giving you a lot of time. So don't use your mobile phones and stuff. But another question for this theme here, because apparently 2 of my slides were messed up. Is what is the farthest man-made object in the universe? What is the farthest, currently the farthest man-made object in the universe? Is the question clear? There is a man-made object very far away from the Earth. What is it?
Voyager.
What?
It's Voyager.
Voyager? That's correct. Voyager 1 is the right answer. Yeah, okay. Right, so for, one second, Prasanna, are you good with the scores so far? Everything's good, okay. So team Miami Heat, recognize the physicist. Is the image clear? I hope it is. If you'd like, you could step back and just get a better view of it. So there is a physicist and a man playing the trumpet. Now the man playing the trumpet is not the physicist. So it's a very sad fact of life that men who play trumpets usually don't do physics. But yeah, so I'm asking you the man on the right, the old man on the right. Going to have to press you for an answer. Okay, come on, answer. Yes, I mean, no, not yes, no. Like, yeah, some answer. Would you like to take a guess? Pass? Okay, next team.
Subramaniam Chandrasekhar.
Chandrasekhar, okay. I can see why you might have guessed that, but that is not the correct answer. No. It passes to the audience now. The audience, would anyone like to guess?
No graduates.
Anyone up there? Yes, you. Peter Higgs? No, this was, no. Anyone else? Yes. Niels Bohr, wonderful. Round of applause. Chocolate, you still think I can't get it to him? Okay, yeah, I think it just, it's quite likely that there are a few experiences in life that you don't forget, and the first is being hit by a flying chocolate. This is Niels Bohr. One of the reasons I like this photograph a lot is because it's a photograph of Niels Bohr and Louis Armstrong. It's 2 of my great interests, jazz and physics, and they're both in the same frame. It's a wonderful thing. And I can only imagine what the conversation would have been like, you know. But yeah. Right. So for the arc reactors, right, we have the next question. Recognize this mathematician.
Gauss.
It is not Gauss. Okay. So if we have to pass it and if to do this consistently, we have to give it to them, right? Yes. Okay. So why don't you guys take a shot? It does have periodic boundary conditions, by the way. So yeah. No. Right. It is not Gauss. Okay, so would you like to take a guess?
Sir, only one guess, Ramanujam.
Ramanujam? Okay. No, it's not Ramanujam. To the audience now, can anyone? Yes, over there, very enthusiastic. What? Galwa. Yes, that's correct. Wonderful. One second. So we have a contention here that Ramanujam is close. It's not. It's not. I'm sorry. Yes. Sorry? Oh, out of curiosity, does anyone know what the full name is? Full name? Yes. Evariste. Yeah, that's correct. That's good. Okay, so 2 chocolates, I think. That's good. First, like 2 names. I'm not sure I want to do this again. Because usually beginner's luck is a real thing apparently. So I'm going to try. Once again, please do not lean forward. Safety is a big issue here. Okay. No, you can keep that. I might have hit you with the chocolate, so you deserve it. But why don't you come down later and you can collect it, right? Is that okay? I don't want to throw it again. It's just... You see, there is a point after which this racket gets embarrassing. Like, I keep throwing chocolates at people and it doesn't get to them, so, right. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, so the answer is Evariste Galois, right? So, this is the end of round 1. And at the end of round 1, can we have the scores, Prasanna? What? We have a tie. Each team now has 10 points. Is that correct? Okay. So a round of applause, please. So this is another interesting nugget that I dug up. I didn't dug up. I have sources. I'll tell you about them. According to Descartes, right? Why do monkeys not speak? According to René Descartes, the philosopher and mathematician. Who introduced, for example, Cartesian geometry, right? Cartesian plane and so on. Why do monkeys not speak? Any guesses? Not even the graduate students want to try this one. No? Yes, we have a guess here. Because it has? 5 senses. Well, that is possibly correct, but that's not what Descartes said, okay? So I'm not going to call you out. Any other guesses? Yes. We have a guess here? They don't understand maths. That's awfully large cerebrum of you. But no, that's not what Descartes said. Yes, we have a guess there. Shagnik, is that? No, you're not raising your hand. Okay. Yes, over here. Because they will not? Oh, okay. No, well, that's not it. Well, I don't think this is going anywhere, but I'd just like to tell you that according to Descartes, the reason was he thought they were afraid of being asked to do work. Once we found out that they could speak, Descartes thought that we would ask monkeys to do work for them. So this goes to show that even the really, really smart people sometimes say kind of funny things. So it's okay to be wrong on stage or not be able to throw chocolates. It's fine. It's perfectly okay. Yeah. Okay, so round 2 is word jumble. Okay? And how this is going to work is each team gets 2 anagrams, right? This is how it goes. I will write down I will project an anagram onto the screen, right? Which is take a word and then you jumble the letters, you permute the letters amongst each other so as to make it unreadable, right? And then you have to tell me what the word is, right? If you get it without any clues, you get 10 points. For each clue I give you, you get 2 points less, okay? Can you have paper? Yes, you can have paper. Do the rest of you have paper? Okay. What? It'll be topical. Well, I will tell you what the topic is. So that sort of narrows it down. It won't. Yeah, I'm not that mean. Yes.
Question. So what happens if we ask for clues? What happens to the indirect ones? Like
Well, the indirect ones, you only have one guess. So
it's still 5.
yeah, it's still 5. So yeah, this is how it goes. Directly is 10, right? 1 clue is 8, 2 clues is 6, and indirect is 5, right? And again, we're just passing over once, right? So after one guess, one indirect guess, it goes to the audience. Yeah. So it just occurred to me that I don't have a list of the actual answers, so this might be interesting. But I do? Okay. Sorry. Right. No, those are not the answers. Those are not it. Those are not it. No, those are not it. Okay, right. This should be fun. Let's go. This is your first for team arc reactor. This is your first. The topic is biology. Right? So that's not a clue. That doesn't count as a clue. But please don't prompt. No prompting from the audience. If you'd like a clue, I could give you one.
Cost points.
It will cost points. So, but you'll have to do this sort of reasonably quick. Okay, would you like a clue? Yeah, would you like a clue? Okay, so this theory explains why, it is a biological theory, and it explains why you have species, how species arise. So does that help? Does that help?
Evolution.
Evolution, that's correct, very good. Well, it's not really a clue. I should have thought this through actually, but don't worry, the rest of you get the same sort of questions and the same sort of clues, so it sort of evens out. What? Charles Darwin. That would make it very obvious. So yeah. Right? Okay. So the next team, Miami Heat. Why did you pick that name, by the way? It's just very curious. Is that a basketball team? Yeah. It's a basketball team. Any players you know that are on? LeBron James. Oh, okay. Nice. Okay. Fine. For Miami Heat, we have the following. It's biology again. It's tuberculosis, right? Yeah. Okay. Just confirming what the answer was, sorry. Right, it is biology. Would you like a clue? Yes, okay. So it has to do with the lungs. It has to do with the lungs. Shh. Okay, audience, please. No. Second clue. Really? Yeah. It will do it. It is a disease. Okay. Okay. Would you like another clue? Yes. Okay. It is a disease of the lungs. It's a very, very common disease in India. Shh. Okay. If you got it, don't whisper it out. Okay. Because they're going to get it, and then I'm going to have to ask you to guess. So, I mean, can you think of what that might be? Okay, would you like to guess? Because I have to pass it over. It's not really fair to take this much time. No guess? Okay, next theme, would you like to guess?
Tuberculosis.
Tuberculosis, that is correct. Okay, very good. Very good. Yep. Okay, so for now for the Chennai Super Kings. Okay, that's the team with the Indian team captain, right? Okay, right. Just your word is. This is the topic is chemistry. What? Natrium. Oh, that's wonderful. Zero clues. Natrium is the Latin name for sodium, which is what gives it its elemental symbol, which is Na. Right? Very well done. That was very quick, actually. Very good. Okay, so team, the Three Musketeers, the fourth team, D'Artagnan. Okay, this is your word. It is chemistry. Oh, okay. This is chemistry. Yep. I'm sorry I keep stepping down. I have to confer with the person I wrote these questions with because I don't really have a, so. Would you like a clue? Okay. Okay, fine. It is, so, 1 second, sorry. Salt water would be an electrolyte. So, your first clue is that salt water is an example of what this is. Electrolyte, wonderful. Yes, it is electrolyte. Very good. Yes, is there a, no? Okay, right. No, there's not you, nothing. Very good, wonderful, well done. Right, so next, yes, it's to you guys. And your word is, oh, this is for the audience actually. Name the scientist. No. Let someone put their hand up and then we can sort of do that. No, you've had a couple of guesses. Can we have someone from there maybe? No one from there has guessed. Anyone wants to try? Anybody wants to try? What about someone from over here? Okay, no one else except, no, that's not fair. No. Yeah, who said that? Yes, can you give me the full name? V.S. Ramachandran, wonderful. Yep, it's V.S. Ramachandran. He's a pioneering neurologist, neuroscientist. He does wonderful sort of almost Victorian experiments in trying to understand the brain and so on. So, right, so chocolate. I'm not going to try throwing it again. So, like, why don't you come down and, or I'll send someone. You come here. Yeah. There's 2 I owe them. So just up there, right? Thank you. Right. It's one of the perks of being on stage is you can ask people to do stuff. And yeah. Okay. So team Three Musketeers. This next question is for you. Yes, the topic is biology. The topic is biology.
Clue.
You would like a clue. Okay, your clue is it has to do with predator and prey. It has to do with the relationship between predator and prey. Would you like another clue, or would you like to pass? One more clue. Okay. Okay. Your clue is a very cryptic sentence. It is to see but not see.
Camouflage.
Camouflage. Wonderful. Okay. Yeah. That was yeah. That was a bit. This was on the nose there. Very well done. Keeping score. Score is good. Okay. Right. The first clue is misleading. I am being challenged here. The first clue is, how is the first clue misleading? No? Was the first clue misleading? Oh, you got it in the first clue? Ha!
They're biscuits.
Sorry. No. Okay. So, to the Chennai Super Kings, I feel very strange. It's like I'm asking an entire cricket team a question. Your word is... Okay, the subject is biology. Oh, okay, we have some guesses from the audience. The audience is far ahead. Okay, no, I'm not going to ask you yet. I'm going to let them. Do you want to? No, you don't want a clue. Okay. Sit on it. We might ask you, right? Would you like a clue now? A clue? Okay, so your clue is organelle. Organelle. Mitochondria, that's correct. Okay. Yep. Is that what you guys guessed? Oh, okay, what the hell. I have a box full of these and it doesn't seem to... What? Okay, yeah. Just like give a few of these out, like whoever raises their hands, just like, you know, yeah. Right, okay. So the Miami Heat, you have, Miami Heat, this is your word. The subject is chemistry. Okay. Subject is chemistry. Bland cot oven. Would you like a clue? A clue, perhaps, yes? Okay. Let's say sharing. Sharing. The clue is sharing. What? Covalent bond, that's correct. Wonderful. Covalent bonds share electrons, right? That is... Okay, so the next team is for, next question is for the arc reactor team. This is your word. Cap dry ono. Subject is chemistry. I know it. Audience, please, keep it to a low roar, if you will.
Hydrocarbon.
Hydrocarbon, wonderful. Very, very well done. Very well done. So at the end of, I think, the second round. No, one second. Just give them to me. So the scores are at the end of the second round. What is this? Is this?
Second round.
Can you give me a total? He's written down the scores for each round individually. Oh, he has totals for me. Okay, good. Well, okay. Oh, this is very interesting. Leading with 33 points is the Chennai Super Kings. Very well done. Round of applause. In second place with 28 points is Arc Reactor. So that's very good. Three Musketeers are right on their tails with 24. And just very, like you guys can, you're still in the game, right? The next two rounds can change everything. It's Miami Heat with 18. Round of applause, please. Okay, so the next round is going to be kind of fun. It's called Pictionary. And what happens here is, the rules go as follows. I give you a word, and you have 1 minute to draw you have to draw a description of your word on the board, right? And is everyone following? Yeah. So you have 1 minute to draw. Can we have silence, please? Thank you. So each team will have 1 minute to draw a description of their word on the white on the chalk. I mean, on the board, the blackboard, and these are only direct questions. So there will be no passes, right? Okay, is everyone clear on that? And if you get it, you get 20 points, and you don't have any clues, things like that, right? So this is really what's going to sort of level the gap, right? Because if you're good at drawing and getting your ideas across in pictures, then this is the time. Also, I should warn you that no writing down letters or numbers, right? That's not allowed. Should be obvious. So, what? Yeah, no, okay. So how this works is, you have one elected member from the team that comes up and I give them a word. And the other two members of the team are supposed to guess what the word is based on the drawing, right? Ordinary Pictionary. So let's begin. So I think we started there twice, which means we'll start here now. We'll start with you guys. Okay. So do you have what? No passes, right? And we have 1 minute. So can we have someone who does timing? Partha, can you do the times? Oh, you'll do it? Okay. So fine. I'll give you. So there's some chalk here. Can everyone see the board? Is that a bit of a problem? No? Okay. So you have chalk here. Go ahead. And I will whisper the word into your ear. And you have to draw it in 1 minute, right? So your time starts when you're... Okay. No. I won't tell you the topic. 1 minute. No. You are drawing and guessing all together 1 minute. Right? So, yeah. You can guess as much as you can within the time limit. It's not a problem, right? Okay? Yes. What? Yes. The person who is drawing should not speak.
Yeah, so
that.
If you get it, if you don't get it, what do you say? You can say, I just do this.
What? Wait, I don't know. Why is this so complicated? Okay, the person who is drawing cannot speak. If he spoke, then it would be easy, right? Next, if you are unable to convey the word, right, just come back and sit down, right? And I think everyone will figure that out. So yeah, is that clear? Are there any other questions? Okay, good, fine. This is your word. Starts when you touch the board. Okay, what's going on here? Lines, squiggles. Oh no, sorry. Evaporation, wonderful. Nice, well done. First guess too, that's very good. So does everyone get how this works? Right? He didn't say anything, these guys guessed. Okay, right. Jesus Christ. Okay, so the word for the next team. So do you have you picked a member of your team? Oh, Prasanna, by the way, 20 points if they get it right. Okay, sorry, yeah. Right. So you'll be drawing, so I'll tell you your word. So your time starts when you touch the board. Okay. By the way, so yeah. But you can't write letters or things like that. So shh, no audience. Would you guys like to make a guess at this point? Tanmay, watching time? 15 minutes, okay. Oh wow, that would be very long. Okay, why don't you make a guess? What? What?
Is time up? Is time up?
1 second. Time's up. Did you say something? Shadow. No, it's not shadow. No. I told you there are no passes, right?
No, but we don't want points. We just tell for the sake of it.
Oh, no, why don't I ask the audience because they'd like to. Okay, so 1 second. I'd like to take control of the room again, please. 1 second. You guys just relax, okay? Could you please sit down? Wonderful attempt, right? Round of applause. Right? Yes. Would anyone in the audience like to guess? There. I haven't. No, just.
No chocolates.
Gravity is the correct answer. But I would prefer if you answered after I called you out, okay? That way we get to spread the chocolates around, right? Is that what you guys were going to say? Gravity. Okay, so let's get some chocolate there. Chocolate there. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Team 3. Gentlemen, I'd like you to please keep your voices down. Thank you.
If I touch the board, then the time starts, right?
Yes, your time starts when you touch the board. Okay? So, no, that doesn't mean you just sort of stand back and think for a while. Oh, man, you guys are quick. No. Your time's, okay, again, reasonably, okay? So, when I tell you the thing, you walk up to the board, that's when your time starts, okay? None of that, standing back and going, no, okay? No. So, your word. Tanmay, time starts now.
Tangent.
Okay, that was very easy. Well done. Tangent. Tangent is the right answer. Okay, next team. Ready? Okay, your word is. Chalk is over there, and your time starts now. Yeah. Why don't you speak into the mic? That way I can.
Eyes.
Eyes. Okay.
Straight line. No. Frequency. Velocity. Glasses, optics.
Okay, your time's running. Quickly. Let's try to get an idea across.
Helmet. Wheel. Light blindness.
Okay.
Hypermetropia and myopia.
Myopia, that's correct. Wonderful. Well done. Very good. Right. The next question. Next question is for the same team. So, would you guys like to send the same? why don't we mix it up? Why don't we ask someone else to come? Is that okay? We ask someone else to draw, and you guys can we do that? Is that okay? Okay, fine. You want to do it like this? Fine. Okay, let's go. Right. So your next word is now. Jeez, what is wrong with this thing? Can you speak into the mic? Can you speak into the mic, please?
Chlorophyll, correct.
Chlorophyll. Okay, we're very good. Yeah. Okay. Right. The next question is for. What was their team name again? Miami Heat. Okay. Your word. The word? Okay, he's got his word. His time starts now. Shh, audience, please. Audience, please keep. Frequency. Oh, that's good. Okay, good. Next theme, please. So 1 second, let's just get some of this out of the. Oh, you can use that side, okay? Right, time starts now.
Draw something else. Come on. Crack. Cascading.
What? What is your guess?
Draw something else.
Okay, time's running out quickly. Oh, look there, I don't know.
Globe warming.
Can you speak into the mic a little louder, please?
Draw something.
Time up, I'm sorry. Would anyone from the audience like to guess? If you have a guess, I mean, yeah, I know it might be a little difficult. So, yeah, what we might do is, would anyone like to try drawing whatever? No, you're all on stage, okay. Yes, why don't you come up? This time, all the audience gets to. Okay, wait, this might be slightly dangerous. So don't all start shouting out answers. I'll pick you out, okay? Okay? Okay, so whoever would like to guess, please raise your hands. I'll pick you out and then you can say something, right? And you guys can't guess. What do you mean? Oh, you've been guessing all evening. Like. No. We can do that later. Yeah, just why don't you show them what you're drawing. Just slightly. Okay, we have a guess here. Nucleus. I'm sorry, that's not correct. Any other guesses? Yes, a guess over there. Greenhouse effect. No. Why don't I narrow it down? This is a phenomenon in chemistry. Okay, maybe that'll help. Yes, a guess here. No? Why don't you go? Okay, no? Yes, a guess over there. Cone. No. Grassmann cone? Cone. No, it's not cone. I'm sorry. Yes, okay. Okay. Is anyone? Okay, yes. Sunlight. No. Yes. Photosynthesis? No. Stomata, no. I think time's up. Yes, I think I have to stop this now. Radiation, no, it's not radiation. Thank you all very much for guessing, but maybe this is slightly difficult. The word is adsorption, right? It is when things accumulate on surfaces. It's a slightly difficult thing to draw. Thank you very much. Well done. Here you go. Here's the chocolate. Well done. Yep. All right. Okay, so why don't we I'll just get some of this off. And okay. So yeah, so that was slightly difficult. Quiet please. Quiet please, thank you. That was a slightly difficult one because it's difficult to draw adsorption, right? How do you do that? I'm not sure. But yeah, anyway, your question is, your word, sorry. Hypercune. Hypercune.
What does that mean?
It doesn't know what it means. Okay. Conic sections.
Okay, I think is conic section the section of cone?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, he's got it. Okay.
A line for a cone.
Are you drawing letters?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, sorry. They never saw it.
Okay, we might have to pick a new word for this.
Okay. I didn't know the full meaning of this thing anyway.
Okay, okay. 1 second. I need a new math word. Give me a math word. Algorithm? Algorithms. 1 second, please. For a moment while I confer with my associates. Black hole. Time starts now.
Light falling.
Tanmay, you got the
Cross the
time?
answer. Dot, point. Position. Board. Green board. Hitting the board.
He's hitting the board. That's a wonderful guess, I think. Dustbin. Sorry. Just guessing.
Interior.
No, I don't think I'm going to give this thing. Because they were leading in the previous one.
Inside.
It's difficult, but it's okay. No, that's what everyone's saying. I don't think I'm going to do that. Time's up. I'm sorry. Wait, does anyone else want to guess? Does anyone from the audience? Oh, wait. Yeah, no passes. So, does anyone from the audience want to guess? No. Wait. You'll draw. No, you don't guess. Why am I? Just go down, please. Thank you. Yes. Sound. No, it's not sound. Yes, you. So, condensation. I'm sorry, that's not the answer. A very, very brave attempt. Yes. Vibration. No. Yes, the lady over there. What? Surface. No, that's not correct. Plane. No, it's not plane. Any other? Yes. What? Hole. Ore. It's not ore. Core. No. Okay. No. Would a graduate student like to answer? Just for fun.
Just a clue, that's a blackboard.
Okay, no, okay, so,
You must be good.
what? Time also, right? But, okay, fine. So we're gonna have my associate Ashutosh here try and draw the word now. And you have to guess. So, wait, you know the word?
Huh? Yes.
I didn't tell you the word.
Black hole.
Yeah, okay, go. Okay, he's gonna go. Why don't you all guess?
Where's the duster? No, then they can't see.
Okay, go Ashutosh. Yes, who said that? Black hole! Wonderful. Very, very well done. Black. The answer was black hole. Who said that? Who said black hole? You said. You. Who said it? You said it. Okay, fine. Yeah, Ashutosh, just yeah. So Ashutosh is going to get you the chocolate. No. Okay. So Ashutosh is the guys upstairs. Okay. Right. Now. What? Yes, because he started writing the
I was
letters.
writing A, B, C to denote sections. Yeah, that's yeah, I know.
That's not according to the rules. So yeah. So just to clarify, we changed the word because he started to write letters, which is disallowed. So anyway, proceeding. The next round is the best. Yes. Oh, the scores. Yes. So before we enter the rapid fire round. Before we enter the rapid fire round now, can we have some silence, please? The scores are leading with 68 points is Arc Reactor. In second place with 58 points is Miami Heat. So round of applause, please. In third place with 44 points is the Three Musketeers. Round of applause, please. And you guys can still do this. Chennai Super Kings with 33. So you're in last place, but you can still turn things around. What? Yeah. Do this. Yeah. Yep. So these are the scores before we enter the rapid fire round. Now the rules for the rapid fire round are the following. 10 questions per team. Okay? The time limit is 60 seconds. So I'd like you all to be very quiet now, right? Because I have to be as clear as possible. Every correct response is awarded 5 points. So how we're going to keep track of who gave the correct response is, I have not figured that out yet. He will keep track. Okay. Yeah, number of correct responses. So, let's begin, right? Okay, yeah, that's right. Okay. So, so why don't we do it the following way? We'll start with the team that's lagging behind, and then we'll go straight to the winners, and we'll ask the questions in that way. Okay? So, mics in hands. Chennai Super Kings, these questions are for you. 1 minute on the clock, Tanmay, thank you. 1, 2, 3, go. Who first stated the laws of motion? Newton, correct. Name the scientist who first performed the gold foil experiment. Rutherford, correct. Who first established that genes or factors are passed down from generation to generation?
Watson.
No, Watson is not correct. Who stated the uncertainty principle first? What? The uncertainty principle. Heisenberg, that's correct. Which computer scientist helped the Allied forces crack the German Enigma codes?
Alan Turing.
Alan Turing, that is correct. What did Albert Einstein win the Nobel Prize for?
No. Photoelectric effect.
Photoelectric effect, that is correct. The Fields Medal is a prize awarded every 4 years to scientists in which discipline?
Mathematics.
Mathematics, that is correct. Name the element most used in semiconductor devices.
Germanium, silicon.
Germanium is not correct. Silicon. That is no. Germanium was your first answer. I'm sorry, it's incorrect. How many pairs of chromosomes does a human being have?
23.
23. That is correct. Sum the following series: 1 plus half plus 1/4 plus 1/8 and so on.
Gets to
Time's up.
1.25.
Do you have an answer? 1.25?
1.8.
No. Sorry. It was a series. So yeah. So we have. So by my records, the questions that you got wrong were who first established that genes are passed on from generation to generation? It is not Watson, it was Mendel, Gregor Mendel. What? Oh, sorry, yeah, right. Who first established that genes... Okay. Does everyone know Gregor Mendel though? Wonderful man, right? He was a friar. I don't know what a friar is actually. It's a very strange name for a profession, but he didn't work at KFC, so it was, yeah. Right. The element most used in semiconductor devices. Silicon, very good. And sum the following series, 1 plus half plus 1/4 plus 1/8 plus 1. Keep 2, that's correct. Why do you guys keep guessing? I'm going to ask you the questions. But yeah, okay. So, at the end of the rapid fire round, they got 7 questions correct, which is for a total of 35 points. Very well done, very well done. Round of applause, please. So, I could stand here if you prefer. It's less awkward than me asking questions.
Come back to the questions back. I mean,
Can
after
you
we have finished.
Yes, you can pass. If only time permits, right? Right. So the reason I'm standing here is because I'm asking them questions. If I stand behind them, it's a bit awkward. So anyway, right. So team Three Musketeers, right? You ready? Okay. So 1 minute on the clock. Let's go. Who created the Linux operating system?
Pass.
Pass. Name the only scientist to win Nobel Prizes in both physics and chemistry.
Feynman.
Sorry, that is
Feynman.
incorrect. Which of the cell division processes guarantees identical daughter nuclei?
Binary fission. Binary fission.
Binary fission.
Yeah.
Okay, one moment. So who won the Nobel Prize for discovering X-rays?
Röntgen.
Röntgen, that is correct. Who discovered the polio vaccine?
Polio vaccine. Pass.
Pass. What is the full form of LED?
Light emitting diode.
That is correct. What is the closest star to the Earth?
Proxima Centauri.
Sorry, that is not correct. How do you distinguish between a star and a planet in the night sky?
A star twinkles.
A star twinkles, that's good. What is the chemical formula for ozone?
O3.
O3, that's correct. What is the process that converts solids directly to gases?
Sublimation.
Sublimation, that is correct. So you want me to go through the other questions?
Yeah, pass questions.
Yes. Who created the Linux operating system?
Pass. Again.
Time up, sorry.
Objection. Closest star. Proxima Centauri.
Yeah, it's the sun, isn't it? So, I'm not that bad. So, yeah. Well done. Round of applause, please. It's wonderful. He's very formal too. He's all objections, you know. Just, yeah. Nice. Very good. Okay, so they got how many questions correct? Ashutosh, what are you doing, man? Okay, they got 5 questions, so that's 25 points from the rapid fire round. Very well done. The next team we're going to ask questions. Audience, right? Okay. You know it's the sun, so let's move on. Who created the Linux operating system? Yes. Linus Torvalds. That's very good. I'm going to try. I'm excited, you know. Yes. Okay. Okay, what else? Polio. Who discovered the polio vaccine? Any guesses? Polio? Nice. Mr. Polio discovered the polio vaccine. Any guesses from up there? No? Someone down here?
Polio senior.
Graduate student, yes. Jonas Salk, that is very good. Yeah. But I'm afraid I'm going to hit Professor Shankar in the head, so I'm just going to do this here. Just pass it back. Yeah. Okay. Right. So, the next set of questions. Are you guys having fun? Is this good? Yeah? Okay. Next set of questions is to which team? Prasanna, can you, is it to Miami? No, so we're going backwards, right? So, how is it Miami Heat?
Yeah, it's Miami. Yeah, lowest.
Oh, you guys are leading? Oh, well done. That's good. Okay. Okay, so Miami Heat, right? Are you guys ready? All pumped up? Ready? Oh, he's just, starting the fire. Yes?
You said you want to clarify something.
Oh, yeah, the clarification was for mitosis. Which cell division process guarantees identical daughter nuclei? So we were hoping you would say mitosis. So I'm going to put this out to the audience. Binary fission and mitosis? They're not the same, right? All mitotic are not binary? Right, that makes sense. Does that make sense? Sort of, yeah. Okay, fine, yeah. So that was the clarification that we wanted to make. Anyway, so, are you guys ready? Very quiet, shh. Okay, Tanmay, you got 1 minute on the clock. Let's begin. Name at least one of the founders of Google.
Larry Page.
Very good. Who discovered the alpha helix structure of proteins? Pass? Okay. Name the discoverers of DNA.
Francis Crick.
Francis Crick and?
James Watson and
Francis Crick, that is correct. Okay, I'll give that to you. Name the first man-made satellite. quickly, pass. Okay. What is the value of Euler's constant, E? To 2 decimal places.
2.71.
Okay, very good. What is the scientific name for a tiger? Not a tiger, like tigers.
Panthera tigris.
Panthera tigris, that's good. Which of the following is the cause of the common cold? Virus, fungi, bacteria, or cold water?
Virus.
Virus, okay. Which chemical is commonly used to clean swimming pools?
Chlorine.
Chlorine, good. What force is responsible for keeping bodies in fluids afloat?
Buoyancy.
Buoyancy. Time, okay, sorry. So that was how many? 5, 6, 7. Seven questions, so 35 points. Very well done. Round of applause, please.
How many did we miss?
You just missed one question.
What is that?
That was, I'll ask this to the audience actually. So, no, sorry, but yeah. So, who proposed the structure for benzene? No. Who said that? They all said it? It was a sort of collective anarchist. Oh, you did? Dude, I'm sorry, man. I'm just, yeah. Oh, there were other questions? Okay, yeah. Who discovered the alpha helix structure of proteins? Who is the first to establish that proteins fold themselves into what is called an alpha helix? Any guesses? Very famous chemist. No graduate students. Like, I'll give you a clue. Later on in life, he started to speak at length about the virtues of vitamin C. It was a very, yes, okay, very good, sir. Linus Pauling is the correct answer. So, Jam. Who are the discoverers of DNA? Well, yeah, that's what I mean, right? I mean, it is not ambiguous. No, Watson, that's correct. Watson and Crick were the guys. No, don't worry, I'm not taking any points away from you. It just, No, so while it was established that there is a certain material in the nucleus that is responsible for the transmission of these genes, it was not clear what that thing was or what it looked like. Is that not correct? No. Yes, I know they did that. They knew it was DNA. So why was structure such a big deal? No idea. Okay, yeah, anyway. That's, I meant who discovered the structure of like DNA, not like who found it. Yeah. Anyway, 1 second. I need one more question in the end because I used this
That's
up.
why you should not have.
Yeah, okay, don't like berate me now. These are these there. Yeah. What is the... You have a... Oh, okay. Very good. Okay, so the last set of questions is for the ARC reactor team. And we have, 1 minute, okay? Ready? You guys ready? Okay. Bauxite is an ore of which metal?
Aluminium.
Good. Hydrogen undergoes fusion in stars to form which element?
Helium.
Helium, correct. Who is commonly known as the father of the internet?
Tim Berners-Lee.
Tim Berners-Lee, that is correct. Which isotope of carbon is used in carbon dating?
C14.
C14, that is correct. What is the technical term for programmed cell death?
Apoptosis.
Apoptosis, wonderful. What is the acronym PSLV expand to?
Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle.
Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, that is correct. Name the largest moon of Saturn.
Titan.
Titan, that is correct. Which color deflects the most in a prism?
Violet.
Violet, that's correct. Name the ship on which Charles Darwin made his famous voyage.
Beagle.
The
HMS Beagle.
HMS Beagle, that's correct. And hematite is an ore of which?
Iron.
Iron, okay. 10 out of 10. Very, very well done. Very, very, very well done. So, that was wonderful actually. It was very nice to see. So I think, so we are now at the end of our quiz. So all that remains is to announce the results, which Prasanna is going to hand me right now. Thank you. Okay, these are very interesting actually. It's very, very close. In fourth place, is everyone ready for this? In fourth place, with 68 points, a tremendous show, Chennai Super Kings. A round of applause, please. Oh, see, you're going to regret this because you're going to just wait. Why? I'm doing this. Just let me. Okay, so Three Musketeers just a nose ahead. 69 points in third place. A very, very good show. In second place, with a very impressive 93 points, is Miami Heat. Good job. The runaway winners, however, this evening, Arc Reactor with 118 points. Perfect score. So, so we have some prizes. I'm not sure how this goes. So, what is the protocol here? Do I invite someone to give them the gift, or yes? Okay. So, yeah. So, yeah. Okay. I'll come down and. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Okay.
Just clarify.
Okay. We can give them the certificates of participation.
But you have to print and all. Yeah.
We can send it to their school if they want.
Oh, yeah.
So, so thank you all very much for participating. Right? Please stay here. To distribute the prizes, I'd like to ask Professor R. Shankar, who is the. Huh? No. Please come on. Please. I insist. He was the mastermind behind the cornstarch thing. Did you guys enjoy that? The cornstarch and the, yeah, that was wonderful. So I'd like him to help give out the prizes. So these are the third place to, 1 second, to the Three Musketeers, these guys. So third place, the Three Musketeers. So, so maybe go to the center because he wants to get the photographs and just, yeah, that would. Okay, in second place with 93 points is Miami Heat. This is the gentleman over there. Round of applause, please. Very, very vigorous round of applause. And in first place, the Arc Reactors. They have 118 points. Right. Chocolates. Give them the chocolates. And for fourth place, you guys get all the chocolates. So I don't care what they say. You're all aces in my books. So there you go. So. Bunch of chocolates. Yeah. All right. Okay. So thank you. And now what? Okay. So at this point, I'd like to invite Professor R. Shankar again to for the concluding remarks. Was this planned? I'm sorry. Or someone else who would like to. Yep.
So I hope you all enjoyed yourself. Thank you very much for coming, and that concludes this function.
Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, in what, sorry? Oh, yeah. Okay. No, I didn't know you had finished it. Okay. So a number of people were actually involved in organizing today's whole program. Sure. Would you like to do this? Okay, fine. So I just speak for the quiz and the display possibly? Okay. On behalf of the people who participated in preparing today's quiz, I'd like to thank my office mates, Prasanna, Avinash, these guys here, all important part of this thing. The displays were set up by a number of IMSC graduate students. A lot of them are here. They're all in the blue shirts, so you can sort of see them. So a huge round of applause for them, please. And huge thanks to the projection staff, the sound, the electrics, and the yes, the experiments and the demos, all the guys in the blue shirts. So also a huge thanks to the catering staff who took care of the food, and we hope you all had a wonderful time, and we hope you'll come next year, and we can have a lot more fun, right? So thank you for coming.